1. It was a cold height. 2. What is a sofa? 3. After the fire drill, he took down the ladder. 4. He picked out the gray suit. 5. He goes to the cafeteria once in a while. 6. The engine of the car is not running. 7. What can we use in lubrication? 8. The high head light of an oncoming car makes the people annoyed. Because they make people. 9. The knife isn't sharp. 10. There is a heavy traffic on City Street. 11. I thought of him much. 12. He checks his car every day. 13. The light keeps turning on and off. 14. We arrived at a place with stream. 15. She has a lot of time to study. 17. She is as tall as her sister. 18. He paid 75 cents for haircut, 25 cents for coffee. Which item is more expensive? 19. He came to class after it started. 20. He seldom goes to the movies. 21. This jacket has a good lining. 22. Sergeant Coe got out of the room after him. 23. The class will start at 3 o'clock. When does the class start? 24. The job is still open. 25. They came here and settled. 26. It's a quarter before 10. 27. They search for the lost child. 28. The remainder of the sentence is not understood. 29. Jane worked the problem out easily. 30. You should see the doctor at once. 31. The dentist extracted John's tooth. 32. The police is looking into the criminal. 33. Many children look up to their parents. 34. They eliminate some of the students. 35. He felt for lack of food. 36. You should skip the dessert. 37. Extinguish your cigarette before throwing it. 38. Review your notes before the exams. 39. He was tardy for class this morning. 40. He took over after his father. 41. The resume is heard by everybody. 42. I bought a book on a digest of Roman laws. 43. These trousers need to be taken up. 44. What would you like to drink? 45. She felt unconscious after the operation. 46. How would you like your meat? 47. Did he drink much coffee? 48. Was it expensive to you? 49. Do you need a complete rest after you are sick? 50. Does she look like her mother? 51. Does he go to class every morning? 52. Can you get out of class? 53. It should come in any minute now. 54. Do you go with them to the party? 55. To be careless with arms is dangerous. What is dangerous? 56. What is the difference between 4 and 2? 57. Where did you wind up last night? 58. Did she say he would come? 59. Is he a fast driver? 60. He wears his hair down his ears. 61. What do the streetcars use? 62. You pay a few cents for a transfer. For what do you pay a few cents? 63. Can't you come with me? 64. He decided to go at last. 65. Who protects the country? 66. He took off his hat.